for visiting us today. For the health and safety of everyone, face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn at all times, including when taking photographs. The exception would be when eating or drinking while stationary. Those that do not comply will be asked to leave. Facial inspections and thoroughly cover your mouth and nose with covering season and maintain physical distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
Whoa.
They dig up the bones of dinosaurs and other creatures that died when a giant asteroid crashed into the Earth 65 million years ago. Then they piece the bones together, gigantic jigsaw puzzles to recreate the skeleton. That one is Chantosaurus, that's a Pteranodon. Over there is Dinosaurus, and those big turtles are Toxicals for the slated beings. Okay, pop quiz. Let's get it. Some dinosaurs defy the imagination. One weighed over 50 tons. You know how many elephants you have to have on a scale to have 50 tons? 10! Wow! That was a lot of animals. None was more ferocious than Cretaceous. This dinosaur had instincts of a clever hunter and a taste for meat. Carnotaurus stuck his menacing razor-sharp claws, a powerful vice-like jaw, and teeth curved like daggers. Carnotaurus was the terror of the Cretaceous forest. Definitely bad to the bone. remember, this is the age of the dinosaurs. Several hundred types of these magnificent creatures have thriving. Ah, the perfect world. Whoa! Suddenly, without warning, small meteor showers begin to pepper the earth, creating explosions and fires. The frightened dinosaurs race to cover. Then a giant asteroid slams into the speed at 60,000 miles an hour. It creates massive tidal waves and stirs up storm. Triggers earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The immense explosion produces a huge dust cloud, blotting out the sun for months. Toxic gas fills the atmosphere. And acid rain. Woo! Nothing can survive that, right? True, the gigantic dinosaurs became extinct, either starved or got sick and died. But Mother Nature began to reinvent an animal world. And this time, it would be ruled by the tiny survivors. Animals.
Hey, it's me again. Only you guys are going on this special mission,
Not
so
comply,
don't tell
you'll be
anyone.
asked to
Okay.
leave. Wash your hands often and thoroughly, cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
This next side. Yes. So, position and change the direction.
Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old way. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blend of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the time, an amazing thing that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's right. But the result is a breathtaking journey through prehistoric world that will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you, and not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's a wild, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these enormous creatures.
travelers. Place all loose items in the pouch in front of you, fasten your seatbelt, and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the time rover. And please watch children.
Atención, guarden todos los artículos sueltos, abróchense los cinturones y permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Vigilen a sus niños.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Secret. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab Pickwantodon, and get out when an asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Launch autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
In 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now! Keep going, keep going!
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Damn it! Get them out now!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
Please gather personal belongings from the pouch in front of you and remain seated until the rover comes to a complete stop.